If Blender is refusing to install and you keep seeing error 2503, don't worry, this is usually a Windows permission issue and not a problem with Blender itself. In this video, I'll show you a quick and reliable fix for Blender MSI Installer Error 2503, so you can get back to installing Blender on Windows 10 or Windows 11 without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, the easiest thing to try is running the Blender installer as administrator. Find the Blender MSI file, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer the elevated permissions it often needs to complete properly. If that alone doesn't work, the next step is to use command prompt with admin rights. Click the Start menu, type command prompt, then right-click it and select Run as administrator. Once it opens, you can run the MSI installer manually using a command like msI path_to_blender.msi. Just make sure you replace the path with the actual location of your Blender installer file. This helps Windows handle the installation with the correct permissions. If you still get the error, the issue is often related to folder access, especially the Temp folder. Error 2503 commonly appears when Windows blocks the installer from writing temporary files. To fix that, open File Explorer and go to C:\Windows\temp. Right-click the Temp folder and open Properties. Then go to the Security tab. Here, check your user permissions and make sure your account has full control. If it does not, edit the permissions and allow full control for your user. Apply the changes and close the window. In some cases, you may also need to check the folder where Blender is being installed and make sure it has right permissions too. If the destination folder is restricted, the installer can fail even when the MSI file itself is fine. After changing permissions, try launching the Blender installer again as administrator. In most cases, this resolves the 2503 error and the installation will continue normally. This is a common MSI problem and not something unique to Blender, so the same general fix can help with other installers too. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with other Blender install errors, Windows installer issues, or permission problems in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.